Hi guys, hope you are all well. Welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video. Before we begin, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will leave a link in the comment section below to our free Telegram group where you can join for updates on our signals and daily market updates as well. So we're going to be taking a look today at XRP, and this is a coin which has a massive following. A lot of people really bullish on it. I'm asked all the time, what my thoughts are on it, and people think that this is going to be a coin that's going to dominate crypto in the years to come. So we're going to take a little bit of a look today at what's going on, some price action, and where it could go from here. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, there's currently an SEC court case against XRP or Ripple, which is kind of dominating the news at the moment. And Ripple, XRP, have now got the documents in their hands. And from reading between the lines, it seems that XRP are pretty confident that they will win the case. And some of the quotes that are coming out from people within the company at the moment, here, I've always felt good about our legal argument, and I feel even better now. They seem to think that this is going to sort of show the SEC up and that XRP will win. In which case, of course, this could be really bullish for the coin, and it could massively go up in value. So let's look a little bit at the coin on the chart. So we'll look first of all using the Crypto Chiefs custom trading view indicator. We're looking here at the 4-hour chart, and we can see we have just had the EMA crossover here over the midpoint, and it's also just gained the EMA 200 as well. Overall, looking bullish at the moment. Most of the major time frames are looking bullish, and we have that as the current sentiment here as well. So actually, I missed this personally, but this would have been, you can see again how our indicator is so accurate. We get the long signal, the EMA crossover, and the coin moves. So we'll look now at the daily chart, and we can see here we are on a massive downtrend resistance line here, all the way from, this is sort of 18 months. So the high of this coin was actually early 2021, because obviously they've been hit with this court case and news ever since. So we've seen a massive decline in this coin. We have, if I zoom in a little bit, we can see that sort of mid-September we saw this really bullish move, and we broke out of this previous range here. We can now see that the previous range high, sort of running from May time this year, is now acting as our daily support level. You can see that flip here. And yesterday we saw a move below, but then we saw a close back above. So we can clearly see from these wicks highlighting the deviation that this is currently a strong support level for XRP. And we do have, however, the EMA 200 line at 0.47. This is likely to act as resistance now since we fell below. And we have sort of trended down since mid-October. I don't know if any of you guys are in the premium group. We gave a signal on this a couple of days ago, a short signal. It was a great signal, hit all 6 of our profit targets, made serious money on it. So we did sort of catch this move down here. Now, if we look at the 4-hour chart again, this time I have run the fib levels from the low here in September all the way up to the high point of that move. We can see that we have on the 4-hour also just regained the EMA 200 on the 4-hour here. This is the blue line. But again, we are at a point of resistance. We do have a fib level here at 4,650, which is currently trying to get above. And here I've marked the daily support and resistance line from the previous daily chart that I showed you. So we can also see we have broke out of this downtrend. Again, the one I highlighted running sort of from mid-October. We did break above this yesterday. So we did see some deviation here below the daily support and resistance, But yeah, as you can see, we regained it. Now we've now broke out of this downtrend. So what I'm eyeing from here is if we do close a 4-hour above this fib level resistance at 0.465, we could then see a move up towards the 50 cent level here. So this is a coin that could sort of really move over the next few days. In terms of longer term accumulation, considering the potential, I mean, obviously it's risky because of the court case surrounding it. It could go either way. So it obviously could send the coin way down. But this could be something that you could start to accumulate for a really long-term investment from here. For me, I really like the area sort of 38 cents, 37 cents level for a longer term accumulation. If we do come back down to that, I will probably go in quite heavily, to be honest. So that is my sort of long-term plan. Probably, people talk about this coin going to $1,000. I don't see it personally, but on the next bull run, I definitely see $10 minimum. But $100 is possible for XRP, no question about that. So yeah, the longer term accumulation, this would be a great area to load up. 38 cents, 37 cents. But for a shorter term trade, a pullback to test this trend line here at the daily support and resistance as well, at sort of 0.45 cents, could be a good area to position long. And you could use the golden fib level here as you leave your stop loss below that. We can see actually on the golden fib level, the 0.45 area here, actually does perfect bounces here, closed above every time. So yeah, this would be an area to go long, but as a breakout play as well, if we do flip the 465 level here, the fib level, then we could well see a move up towards 50 cents. I'd be interested to know your thoughts, guys, on Ripple. So do leave comments in the section below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.